Right, well folks, today we've got this Midland 7780D Transportable. This is the type that has the carry case, telescopic aerial, and it has a speaker mic. It doesn't have an internal speaker. We had one of these in before. We did the two videos for receive and transmit, the 77805.
Chippie, Tango 21, just going down the lane.
Tango 21, well, can't you speak? Tango 21 receiving loud and clear.
No, roger that.
With hindsight, when this came into repair, we should have done a video on this one, because it's a totally different chassis to the 77805 which we previously did. This is the 77805D, as in D for Delta, and in the receive it uses a chip, whereas the ordinary 805 uses quite a lot of different transistors. So channel, it's one of these that boots up on channel 9, which can be inconvenient. Squelch is on the concentric ring. It's a speaker mic. As I say, there's no internal speaker. You can plug an external speaker into it. And then this sometimes causes confusion. You can...
Passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger.
You can switch the lights off to save battery power when it's in its battery pack. And people say to me, I've got a Midland 77805 and the lights aren't working, and I just have to mention you do have to switch them on. So we've serviced this, and next time we get one of these in, I will do a service video on it, and then next time we get an ordinary 77805 in, I'll do an on the air test with it, because there is a difference, a huge difference.
Right, square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads. These are riddled with dry joints, and this one was no exception, which is why it's come in for service. High-low power in line with the original 2781 spec, so you've got 0.4 watt to the 4 watt switch at the back. 4 bars on the display, so it's a relative 135 1 3 oh, it just says 1 2 3 4. Anyway, the radio is doing 4 watts, which, as you know, if you've watched my videos, very few radios actually manage to achieve 4 watts, but this is one that does.
Right, passing top of the hill as we descend into Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill as you go into Wilsford. I am receiving you going round Scratchy Corner, and it's not bad.
No, a little bit of scratch, but not too much.
For your information, this radio is doing a full 4 watts.
Right, going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, getting you loud and clear going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger, getting you at Kelbyturn, which is quite good going. Roger on that. And this is where a lot of the new sets run out of range. They have to generate so much noise with their internal processors that you find the receiver sensitivity is masked by that problem. But these older sets have less processor noise. They have less functions. Roger on that. Got you at Rossby level crossing. That's great. That concludes the test. Right, I'll see you back at Tango Towers then. So there you go, that's the Midland 77805D Transportable. And what can you say? Well, it's about 35 years old, isn't it? And apart from that dry joint issue, which only took 20 minutes to sort out, it didn't really need that much of a tune-up. But it's spot on, the squelch is set up properly, and there's the results. Those of you who follow will know we have this particular route that we take, where Mr Chippie drives the wrong side of a hill and then drives through quite poor terrain. It's our worst possible direction from here in the middle of Lincolnshire. If we did this towards Nottingham, we'd get 35 miles, but it would cost us a fortune in petrol, wouldn't it, doing that? So we do this, I think it's a very good test, and we can see how one set performs against another with the identical setup. For your information, Mr Chippie is in a car with a drilled into the aerial, with a drilled into the roof aerial, which is a Les Wallen modulator, the standard one, and his radio is a Midland 78 Plus multi. It's the same setup on all the tests. So there you have it, the Midland 77805D Transportable. Thank you for watching.